Hi, I'm Isa, the lead intern for Campus Dining, and this is our second episode of Campus Dining 101, where we show you how to order like a pro at each of our campus dining facilities. In this episode, you'll learn how to order at the Tiger Cooler, which is located across from the marketplace and is open 7 days a week from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. The cooler has plenty of grab-and-go items, especially drinks and snacks, as well as ice cream, pizza, and sushi. It also has a variety of made-to-order items such as burgers, fries, rice bowls, Philly cheesesteaks, and more. Just like at the MP, you'll need to show an Oxy ID and sanitize your hands as you enter. If it's crowded, form a line outside of the servery along the wall. As you enter, grab any snacks, veggies, sushi, or pre-made pizza before heading up to the cashier. There's an ice cream and smoothie and espresso station at the back of the servery. Here, drip coffee is self-serve and you check out with the cashier. However, for ice cream, smoothies, or any espresso drinks, place your order with the staff waiting behind the counter and then check out and pay with the cashiers at the front. Any other hot food not on display but on the menu will be placed with the cashier while you're checking out. These are things like burgers, rice bowls, fries, made-to-order sandwiches, and more. Be sure to indicate whether you'd like your food for here or to go. If you order hot food, you'll be given a receipt with the ticket number. Don't throw this away. Wait in the main room for your order number to be called over the loudspeaker, then show your receipt to the cashier and they'll get you your food. Be sure to grab any utensils and condiments next to the cashier stand. Just like at the marketplace, there are plenty of spots to sit inside. However, we encourage you to sit outside to minimize our indoor capacity. There are some beautiful spots to sit right outside the front doors, on the lawn, out the side entrance, or in the olive grove. There are also 2 vending machines at the cooler in case you need something else to eat or drink and don't want to wait in line again. There are also toasters and a microwave oven for you to use at your convenience. After you've finished your meal, make sure to check these signs to dispose of your waste correctly and bring any compostable materials like paper products and food scraps to the compost corner. Exit the cooler by using either of the side doors. Thanks for watching. I hope that these videos were helpful in making you feel more at home and more confident with your ordering skills on campus. And if you haven't already, go ahead and check out our marketplace video, which is on our Instagram, which is @oxy.eats. And while you're at it, drop a follow to stay updated on all things food on campus. We have food trucks every once in a while, and we have themed meals on holidays, so you'll want to make sure to stay updated on all that. All right, we are so excited to have you on campus. Go Tigers!